Princess Eugenie is one proud mother as she marked her little boy Ernest's first birthday on Thursday. Taking to her personal Instagram page, the royal, 34, marked her son's milestone by sharing some sweet family snaps. The photographs showed Ernest dressed in a personalized blue football kit with his nickname Ernie on the back of the shirt, as well as the tot having fun at a playgroup and enjoying an Easter egg hunt. The last snap showed big brother August, 3, kissing his little brother, Ernest, as the youngsters enjoyed a day out at the Natural History Museum in London. "1 year of you, my dear Ernest. Happy birthday. We all love you so much, especially your enormous smile you give the world. But you always save an extra special one for Mama. XXX, Eugenie wrote in the caption. The princess announced that she and husband, Jack Brooksbank, had welcomed the arrival of their second son 5 days after his birth in June 2023. Sharing a close-up image of her sleeping newborn son wearing a blue knitted hat and another of proud big brother August meeting his baby brother for the first time, Eugenie wrote, "Jack and I wanted to share the news that we had our little boy, Ernest George Ronnie Brooksbank, on the 30th of May 2023 at 8:49, weighing 7.1 pounds. He is named after his great-great-great-grandfather George, his grandpa George and my grandpa Ronald. Augie is loving being a big brother already. Ernest, who does not have a royal title, is 13th in line to the throne behind his older brother, August. The youngster has not been seen publicly since his birth, but Eugenie has posted personal snaps of her sons to mark special occasions. A video montage shared to mark Eugenie and Jack's 5th wedding anniversary last October ended with a family shot of the couple with their 2 young sons on a beach. In January, Eugenie and Jack enjoyed a family holiday in Jamaica with August and Ernest, with holiday snaps shared by their friend, Brendan Fallis, showing little Ernest giggling in his father's lap as his mother tickles his chin. When August turned 3 in February, Eugenie uploaded a cute photograph with her cuddling her 2 sons in her arms, while another picture shared to mark her 34th birthday in March showed the princess lifting little Ernest into the air, as she wrote, "The best gift of all are my boys. So on this birthday I am cherishing family and loved ones." August and Ernest's maternal grandparents are the Duke of York and Sarah, Duchess of York. Prince Andrew and Sarah are also grandparents to Princess Beatrice and Edoardo Mapelli Mozzi's 2-year-old daughter, Sienna. The Duchess previously revealed how touched she was that one of Ernest's middle names, Ronnie, pays tribute to her late father Major Ronald Ferguson, who died in 2003. Speaking on her podcast Tea Talks with the Duchess and Sarah last year, she said of her newest grandchild, "He's a very, very seriously beautiful little boy. And of course everybody says that, but of course he is. I was really touched when Jack and Eugenie told me about the name. It was so moving that they'd put my dad in there. It was very kind, I thought. It made me cry, of course. I popped into a children's shop and bought some little blue booties, and that's when she told me.